Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. This is my Hearts of Gold over Gradient Nails tutorial, Valentine's Day edition. Everything will be listed below. Of the three colors for the gradient will be Gold Links, Love Rocks, and Black on Black. And Sashbi. You can use what you have if you don't have Gold Links. It's a Myers brand, so if you have Gold Metal or Insta-Dry, then those will work just as well. I'm going in with the Revlon Basecoat Quick Dry Basecoat. So it's a really good formula and it dries very fast. It doesn't dry very fast, but it dries, I would say, fairly fast. And this is Queen's Liquid Latex that I got from Walmart, and I really am liking this. This is my first one. I decided to try it out and I'm gonna stick with it because I really like the fact that I can just go to the store and get liquid latex from the store instead of online and waiting for it to be shipped. I don't want to have to pay extra for shipping to be expedited quicker either. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you, new subscribers, for being around. If you like my nail designs, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll be notified of my weekly uploads. Hit the like button while you're at it. It really makes my day, so I do appreciate all your love and support. I am close to my giveaway, so just need a couple of more on board and we can get the party going. Probably either, if not next week, then definitely the week after, but keep an eye out for it because it's gonna be a good one, you guys. I mean it. Alright, so we're starting off with you definitely, if you have shorties or shorter nails or semi-long nails, you want to be aware of how much color you're adding to the sponge. You want to add just like the width of the brush would be enough, and maybe kind of make sure you don't go past halfway through that flat edge of the makeup. Where I'm at, the pink is where you'd probably want to stop if you have shorter nails. Just make sure you get all three colors in that space and you should be a-okay. So it came on perfectly. I do want a more of a gradient, a transition between the colors, so I'm going to build up the color first and then I should have started transitioning the colors, but I'm gonna take the colors and overlap them a little bit more. That way, right from the start, and you could probably start this way at home instead of doing it the way I did. Make sure you overlap those edges a little bit more depending on how much of a transitioning from the gold to the pink and the pink to the black you'd want it. And if I haven't said it already, this turned out exactly how I wanted it to. I have my toes done already, exactly like this. I actually did a gradient. The Simply Peel or the liquid latex really helps. So this is what it looks like for the base, and just gonna clean up around the edges here real quick for you on camera. Sometimes if it's a cleanup, because cleaning up can be really messy, I'm not very graceful with it, like I mentioned it time to time, but I'm gonna go ahead and do so. Or just maybe I'm getting a little bit better at it, so I'm able to share this step with you on camera. That might be it too. If I ever sound pretentious or anything, just know that I'm not trying to act like I know everything. I am just excited and just going in as if, like, I don't know. I can get excited about things and a little bit overboard, so don't mind that. And sometimes I peel or pull back the cuticle. And in nail school, I learned that it's the hyponychium. The eponychium. Sorry. There's a hyponychium and an eponychium. And I don't want to confuse you guys. The hyponychium is under the nail, but the eponychium is right at the cuticle, and it's a living tissue. It's my little tidbit I sometimes give out, and sometimes I don't, but I'm gonna go with my Slush V over the top to smooth out the colors. Don't need blending. Usually I use like a clear coat. You can use what you have. This is what they look like. They're all dry, ready to be stamped over. I'm gonna go in with Queen 01, and this is the Fairy Tale Lover 01, and this is at Walmart. That's what the back looks like, and that's the image that we'll be using all the way through. And I only got this for a few dollars, so if you have a Walmart near you and you don't have this plate, I really recommend it. And this, I thought about which image. It was going to be either a lacy image or something with hearts, and I wasn't as crazy about the other heart image. I love that image. It's on the bottom. That turned out really good, but it's just I don't think it would have went well with. But I just really wanted to have the swirls, so yeah. And going over it again because I'm just using one design. Using my other stamper because my new jelly stamper from Born Pretty is semi-squishy and it wasn't picking up. I think that one would be better for stronger, better formula polishes. Well, this is a good formula. This gold is very stampable. I just might have to use a stamping polish for the other one. I don't know. And I thought about using the hearts on the bottom as an accent nail, or the lace as an accent nail, but I really felt like having something straight through the same. You can do what you want though. I do not mind. And if you do decide to try out my nail looks or my nail designs, tag me if you're on Instagram at the Bombshell Nails. I have awesome pictures at the end, and I really like to play around with my pictures, and my Instagram has very nice. They're different, a little bit different. I go above another level than what I go a step above than what they have. Like I take the pictures I have and I tweak them up and add some fancier stuff to it. So those of you who follow me on Instagram already know this. Now I'm gonna clean up with my cleanup brush that is not in good shape at all. It has gone through heck and back, and yep, it's going strong. But didn't need a lot of cleanup. If you have shorter nails, definitely use the liquid latex for the stamping portion. Those are large images. Or tape if you don't have liquid latex. I still revert to tape now and then. So these turned out very beautiful. I am very satisfied with very happy. And here I'm showing you that you can use Slush V or your top coat. I'm using my gel top coat. And professionally speaking, from nail school, this is a huge no-no. I will not be doing this on clients. It's straight through gel if I'm using a gel top coat. So just so you know, this is technically not allowed in nail school or as a professional nail technician. But for just the sake of this channel and personal use, it can be done. And now I'm using Random Nails Mermaid Butter, or mermaid butter cuticle butter. So I'm gonna link it down below where you can purchase it on her Etsy shop, and I will definitely go back to her and get some more. This is very good stuff and it's natural from what I know, and yeah, I'll link it down below. And this is the final result. My cuticles are happy, my nails are happy, and this is what they look like all together. And my toenails are done too, so I'm really excited about that. I know there's like some places it's not perfect, but they look very, very glamorous and fun. I like them, and I hope you do too. Thank you so much, everyone, and I hope you have a great week ahead. Bye.